In this video, we're going to be doing rational exponents. So if we have a base raised to a fractional power, then the denominator of the power is the root, and the numerator would be the power. The base here will actually become the radicand. That will become the radicand. So in other words, here r becomes the root, b becomes the radicand, and then it's raised to some power p. Okay, let's look at an example. So for example, if we have 32 to the 2/5 power, then we're going to have a root of 5. The 32 would become the radicand. And then when we're all done, we raise it to the second power. Now recognize that 32 is 2 to the 5th power, right? So we could replace that 32 as 2 to the 5th power. So if we have the 5th root of 2 to the 5th power, it just becomes 2. And now raised to the second power, that will become 4. Okay, let's look at another example. So suppose we have 125 x6 y12 raised to the 2/3 power. So the root is the denominator of that power, and we have 125 x to the 6 y12. So 5 to the 3rd power is 125, so the cube root of 125 would be 5, and the cube root of x to the 6 divided 3 into the 6, so it becomes x squared, and then divide the 3 into the 12 with a y to get y4. And once we're done that, we have to raise it to the second power. So I forgot to use the numerator, that's the power, so we have to square that. So this becomes 25 x4 y8. I multiply the power times these powers here. Okay, let's do another example. Suppose we have something like this with a fraction involved. So we can have 16x to the 16th power over 8/1 y to the 24th power. And then we have that raised to the 3/4. So the denominator is the root. So we have 16 x to the 16th over 8/1 y to the 24. And when we're done, we're going to raise it to the 3rd power. So here, the 4th root of 16 is 2, because 2 to the 4th power is 16. And so we'll get 2 x4 over 3 y6. Okay, so I took this root and divided it into the powers here. Now I'm going to raise this to the 3rd power, so this is 2 to the 3rd power x to the 12 3 to the third, and y to the 18. So these powers here are 1, so I just applied multiplication, so using the power rule. So this becomes 8 x12 over 27 y18. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.